Happy launch day! I am so unbelievably excited to be able to finally share the High Point blush collection with you guys. You have no idea how much this means to me. The fact that we've worked so hard, our entire team, to create something as beautiful and perfect and versatile as these. These are meant for these eyes, lips, and cheeks. Right now I'm using it on my cheeks because I have to leave ASAP, but these are absolutely perfect for an everyday look or a full glam. And if you're a bridal makeup artist or a makeup artist in general, these show up amazing on camera. They're super light. A little goes a long way. I mixed two of them in this look right now, and I'm realizing I may have used more than I originally thought. They're super pigmented, super hydrating. They're safe for your lips and your eyes. So if you want a pinky or a purple on your eye that day, you can have it. Just blend it out softly with a flat brush like this, or you can use an angled brush like this. You can swipe around if you want to diffuse it a little bit. I kind of want to keep it a little bit harsh, so I'm gonna go back in with that flat brush here and tap it on out. Let me set the rest of my face. Because I'm a little bit blush blind, I like to go in with 2 layers, so I tend to go in with the second layer of Drunken Flesh when I mix in Venusian Rose with it. We are so grateful for the creators that have collaborated with us on these. So Susie and Summer, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You guys are fabulous, fabulous people, and we are so grateful for you guys. This has been probably a dream of mine for a while, and we love to see Narcissus Beauty thriving in ways that we never thought we would. And our interns have helped so much. Honestly, the whole team has helped bring this to life so much. We all have a dream for this brand, and let me tell you, we are getting there. We are so grateful for the creators that have come on, and we are so excited for new launches that are coming in the future. We have a lot in store, like a lot in store, guys. I am abundantly excited to share that with you. Now, these High Point blushes go for $35 on narcissusbeauty.com. That is the only place you will be able to find them as of right now. Hopefully that'll change in the future. They are the perfect size. They can connect on a chain. They fit in your bag. They fit in your kit. They are super hydrating, super luxurious, and absolutely regal, and made with so much love in small batches by me. And I am so excited for you guys to finally get your hands on these. I hope you enjoy them as much as I loved making them, and I cannot wait for you to try them. Make sure you tag us in all of your looks. You can tag Narcissus Beauty. You can also put hashtag glow like a goddess so we can see your looks and share them, and make sure that you guys love it and we fall in love with your reflection just like you are gonna fall in love with your reflection. Stay tuned for what we have next. Please send some love to our creators. Thank you again to our interns and our entire team at Narcissus Beauty. And we are so excited for you guys to finally have the High Point blush collections. I love them, and I hope you love them just as much.